Hey guys, my name is Kirit and you are watching Kirit Singh channel and please subscribe and press the bell icon to receive more information and updates on this channel. Hey guys, my name is Kirit and today I am going to tell you how you can change the background of any image in Photoshop CS6. So guys, the first thing you will want to do is open Photoshop, click on file, click on new and the preset is my preset is 1920 pixels by 1080 pixels. The width is 1920, height is 1080, resolution is 300 and 300 because it's a good quality to print in. Okay, so now we have created a new file. Guys, I am going to change the background using the pen tool because I really like the pen tool. So guys, the first thing you want to do is open Chrome and search for the background you want on the image. Like for example, I'll get the background of Prague. I don't know why, but it's okay. Let's see the Google images. Hmm. I'll choose this one. Just copy this image, go to Photoshop and paste it. Done. Now place the image you want to change the background of. Done that. This image, placed it. Okay, so now what we are gonna do, I'm gonna also teach you how to use the pen tool in this video. First thing we're gonna do is zoom in with Control plus plus or Alt middle mouse button, and we're gonna actually left click. Okay, now what it does, it the left click creates a point somewhere right here. Okay, now what we're gonna do is left click again somewhere else, but what we gonna do is we don't want to release the left click right now. And what the pen tool can do is, you haven't released the left click right now and you can drag the mouse to make curves. So this really helps because an image is all about curves and lines. Okay, so I've created a straight line for my shirt right here, and this pointer actually points in the direction you want to create the next point in. Okay, I want to create the next point in this direction, so what I'll do is I'll press Alt and drag this point to where I want to create the next point, in the direction where I want to create the next point. Create the next point again. I make a next point like so. Again, next point, curve it a little bit while holding the left click and dragging again. Okay, and see, right now it's if I make a new point, there's a little bit space left. That's because I didn't point the pointer in the right direction. What I have to do is press Alt and drag. That's all. Create a point here and then create a point here, then here. Now the face is a little bit tricky part, but we'll see. What we'll do is Alt plus plus. Sorry, weird face, right? What we want to do is create the pointer like this and make this point. That's all. I'm not moving this pointer right now because I want to create the next point in this direction only. Good. Now here we have to change this is where your skills come. What you have to do is, the main reason why we are using the pen tool is because we have to finish in less time. It should not take more time, but for some people it takes a lot of time. So what we are gonna do is, we are gonna aim for curves, big curves. Okay, this is a big curve and we just covered it just like this while holding the left mouse button and dragging. Next point, and see, this is also a big curve, so what I'm gonna do is create the next point here and drag. Keep adjusting the drag until it fits. That's all. Right here, selecting the specs. Now this. Yeah, shit. I zoomed in too much. Pointer, drag, alt, pointer, change pointer direction. That's the beauty of the pen tool, guys. So what we are gonna do is I'm just gonna fast forward until I finish this. Okay. Guys, now I have made a selection around my whole body, and at the last what we have to do is connect the last point. I'll show you. This was the last point and this was the first one. You want to connect the last point and the first point like this. That's all. Now we've selected the thing. Now what we're going to do is right click and click on make selection and click on OK. So now you have selected this, and now you gotta do is gonna click on this mask button right here, right, no, on the right side of the FX button, and like see, this is all. So and I'll just press Ctrl T right here to adjust my face according to this mask. That looks good. We can just adjust the image right now. Okay, that looks good. Now we have actually changed the background of the image, and that was the motive of this video. Stay tuned, guys, for more updates, and bye.